Chapter 6, Sloka 5. Uddharedatmanatmanam. 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 Natmanam avasadhaye. Natmanam avasadhaye. Natmanam avasadhaye. Uddharedatmanatmanam. 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 Natmanam avasadhaye. Atmaiva yatmano bandhuhu. Atmaiva yatmano bandhuhu. Atmaiva yatmano bandhuhu. Atmaiva ripuratmanah. Atmaiva ripuratmanah. Atmaiva ripuratmanah. Atmaiva yatmano bandhuhu. Atmaiva ripuratmanah. Atmaiva hyatmano 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 bandhuhu. Atmaiva ripuratmanah. Uddharedatmanatmanam. Natmanam avasadhaye. Atmaiva hyatmano bandhuhu. Atmaiva ripuratmanah.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.